beauty of nature. I'm Roshan, and today we're going to take a closer look at some of the incredible sights and sounds that surround us in the natural world. There's something truly awe-inspiring about the water. The sound of the rushing water, the mist rising into the air, and the sheer power of the water as it cascades down the rocks. Forests are another amazing example of the beauty of nature. The way the sunlight filters through the trees, the sounds of the birds and animals, and the smell of the fresh air. It's no wonder that spending time in nature has been shown to have so many health benefits. Mountains are truly a wonder of the natural world. And who can forget the beauty of a sunset? The way the sky changes colors, the reflection of the sun on the water, and the feeling of peace and tranquility that comes over us as we watch the day come to an end. Beaches are a reminder of the incredible beauty and diversity of the natural world. Remember, no matter where you are, there's always something incredible to see and experience in the
natural world.